So let's see together in this lesson how to ask someone's age. So obviously it is a tricky topic. It means that in most of the cases it will be considered rude to ask someone's age. So you really need to be careful. You really need to feel the context, feel exactly if it's possible or not. The rule, the traditional rule was that men were not supposed to ask women's age. This is the way it was for a long time. I think that with equality, the thing can go both ways, but obviously it is a tricky topic. So decide whether you are supposed, allowed, permitted to ask it. If you are, then I will give you the questions. First one, how old are you? It's like straight. Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? How old are you? Vous avez quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? So you can see that in this question, which is clearly less formal in terms of the structure, the way it is structured. We start with the subject, after that the verb, and we continue. So it makes it less formal. Vous avez quel âge? Don't forget to raise your voice in the end. How old are you? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? So in that case, two options, whether it's for youngsters and then they can use this tu right away, or then you're talking with a colleague or a friend. A friend, it will be a bit strange because you would know the age of this person, at least I assume. So, but it means that by using this tu, you are really close to that person. You know that person. You're not talking to your boss. You're not talking to somebody you don't really know that well. So remember that, especially with this topic, you really need to make sure that you're not using the tu where you shouldn't be allowed to use it in a way. How old are you? Tu as quel âge? Tu as quel âge? Tu as quel âge? And clearly this option is the least formal of all. So you're using the tu, and then we keep the same order. Don't forget to raise your voice at the end or in the end. Tu as quel âge? Okay. Merci beaucoup.